water heater. Really, you're looking to make sure it's cleaned out. There's nothing obvious.
Seems like a new one.
And you gotta have these TMP drain installed.
Okay.
Okay. A lot of properties don't have these installed, which drains into this drain pan.
Right.
These are always missing. It's a cheap fix. And so just keep that in mind that needs to be installed.
Okay.
Also, how's the vent?
Yeah.
If it's a gas water heater, is the vent connected and is that collar installed up there? You see that?
Yes.
That's sometimes missing, and so you just gotta double check that.
Okay.
That will also be a red flag in a Section 8 inspection.
Okay.
They're looking for this, and they're making sure that the collar's installed.
Okay.
Okay? And you don't want a lot of trash and debris in
Right.
here.
Yeah.
Why? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, bedrooms. Again, do the lights work? How's the ceiling fan? Does it work? Does it wobble? Okay, it's good. I do notice like a random screw in the ceiling.
Yep.
Again, we didn't do the work here. I don't know how many times I'm going to say that, but I'd like to take out
Just
small stuff like that. Does the door shut? No.
Yep.
Does it lock?
So if it doesn't lock, you want a new lock?
Yeah, I mean, want it to lock. Yeah. But
Okay.
I want everything functional.
Got it.
Again, when the property is complete and everything's working, you have less maintenance. You have happy tenants. They're going to pay. You check the efficiency items. Everything is complete.
Yep.
It just goes smoother all the way around.
Got it.
So
Quick question on that
Yep.
before we get off of it. Is there any code or anything that has to be a locking door on a bedroom?
that's common. You know,
I know it's common, but I've run across them before where they just found a cheap knob and threw on it, and it didn't have a lock on it.
So I would prefer a locking one
Okay.
where they're supposed to be, like usually bedrooms.
Yeah.
But I also like them to match.
Right.
And so that's something you have to take into consideration. If you can't match this gold anymore,
Right.
do you put on a different color or do you upgrade all the hardware so it's matching? And so sometimes you have to be careful on that. You can still get gold, that's fine, but just keep that in mind.
Okay.
It may not be the exact same style.
Yeah.
Let me shut this just so I can operate this closet a little bit better. This has sliding closet doors. Do they actually slide open? They do. Does the lights work? Is the closet rod here?
Okay.
They're always missing, and I don't know why.
Random.
But we want closet rods. Again, complete. You can
Right.
actually hang clothes.
Right.
And you're looking for obvious damage. Everything's working. Closet rod looks good.